Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 7th, 2022, and we did a float sink test on the seeds that we placed into these pots. And every one of these seeds was a floater. You won't believe what's happening. Look at that. They are sprouting. So theory looks to be debunked. Basically, the theory is if you put these seeds, these cashew seeds, into a cup of water and they sink, then they're viable. If they float, they're not viable. But obviously that is not true. These three were placed into these pots, I think about 2 weeks after these three were placed into pots. But before I water these, I keep seeing the soil break, so I think that the seeds in these are also germinating at this time. Folks, there you have it. Theory debunked, myth debunked, whatever you want to call it. It is debunked. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these floater cashew apple seeds. Have a great day.